Hello Prime friends. This is a quick video to show you the various options for which you can make line charges and convert to invoices. So from the left side menu, if we go to work order, you'll see we have the work orders listed. We can see the site name, the customer name. If all of the information that you need is correctly populated within that work order when it's created, you can simply click Create Line Charges, and it will create line charges, not open any other additional form, and those line charges will appear here. You can do a bulk invoice creation at the end of the day and a bulk email. Same here with Create Invoice. This will actually just simply create the invoice. So I will go ahead and show you. So if I just click Create Line Charges here, I get a prompt and says OK. And as you can see, I can no longer generate an additional line charge or invoice from this location. And if I come here to line charges, up here at the top of my grid, there's that work order number, and here's the charge that was created. From here, I can choose to create the invoice or turn it into a proposal. If I want to view the invoice, I can click the hyperlink, and then from here I can email or print or pay. Back to the work order hamburger board. If I prefer to look at my information beforehand, I can view the work order and actually check to make sure that the information that I need is already created down here. Can go into edit mode. I can update the messages or the rates according to the driver's notes or other information that I have in here, and I can hit save. Once I hit create invoice, it will pop open to those invoices. I have the opportunity to pay right away, or I can email or print. Additionally, I can go into edit mode and I can add more charges or update the information that's already here. So this is the preferred method. We want to view the work order, double check and make sure that our services and information are populated correctly, and then go ahead and click the Create Invoice button. So that is one way to create line charges and invoices. Another way is directly from the site level. If we go to the site and we just click line charges and add line charge, we can manually add whatever charges we need at whatever values we need. And we can click save, which will leave it as a pending charge, or we can click save as invoice. And then here again, we can view, print, edit, pay. And if it is a previously existing and we need to make an adjustment, we can create an adjustment here as well. The final way that we can create line charges would be from the assets. And there's two places where we can do that as well. So if we go to a site and we click on asset, we can, if there were some assigned here, click create charges. Let's find a site that actually has some assets. So there's a shortcut up here at the top, create asset line charge. So I can click that and it's basically going to bring me here. I can select the assets I want to create an invoice for. Scroll down to the bottom. If there are multiple and you're only generating for a particular one, you can select that individual asset as well. And I can click save. Those line charges have been created and they are sitting in the pending line charges location. So from here, I can do a select all and I can create the invoice or proposal, or I can continue adding line charges throughout the day, and then at the end of the day I can go to my line charges, generate those invoices, and do a bulk email. Hope that was helpful.